Hello everyone, welcome to AI tutorials. In previous video, we have learned the introduction to pandas and installation steps. In this video, we'll be learning about pandas series. Before that, a short recap. The main key feature of pandas are data cleaning, transforming, analyzing, visualizing, and storage. All these important steps can be easily implemented with the help of pandas, and a pandas can be integrated with multiple other open source library that is free like NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. We'll be learning this in upcoming videos. The core components of pandas are series and data frame. Series means a single dimensional data, that is either a column or a row. Data frame means multi-dimensional data, that is more than one columns. Today we will be learning about the Python series. Whatever we are learning, everything will be uploaded to the GitHub location, and this link is mentioned in the video description. Just download this IPython notebook and start executing the programs. First step, import pandas as PD. Now pandas package is imported. Going forward, we will be using PD in the place of pandas, and we will be also using NumPy. So let me import NumPy also. So NumPy as NP. Now we will learn first how to create the empty series. A equal to PD dot capital S. Don't forget that. Then only you will get this suggestion. Then print A. So the empty series is created. Now we will create the series. So you know how to create the list using NumPy. In case if you don't know about NumPy, just see the video description. I have mentioned the NumPy playlist. You can learn it from that. So we are creating a list A, B, C, D, E. Now B equal to PD dot series, pass this list. Then print B. A series is created using NumPy. So the list A, B, C, D, E, for each value, the respective index values are assigned. For A it is 0, for B it is 1, so on, and for E it is 4. Always remember, whenever we talk about index, it will start from 0. Suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the default index value assigned by the pandas. We have a facility in pandas like we can also change this index value. Same program, just adding one more parameter, pd.series, passing the list, then index equal to, within the square bracket, 50, 51. So I have mentioned 5 index number for each value. Let's execute. For A, the index number is 50, for B the index number is 51, for E it is 54. So if we are not mentioning the index, by default it will start from 0. In addition to that, we can also assign the index for each value. This is how we will create the series using list concept. Now we will learn how to create the series using dictionary concept. You know very well how to mention the dictionary. It will be key and its value. So for key A, the value is 0, for B it is 1, for C it is 2, and for D it is 3. And the dictionary will be mentioned within the curly braces. For list, it is mentioned within the square bracket. It's basics Python. Same way, C equal to PD dot series, pass this, print C. So here, when we use the dictionary concept, the key will be used as the index, and the respective value will be stored to its key. For A it is 0, for B it is 1, for C it is 2, and for D it is 3. Same like first example, we can also change the key for respective value by mentioning index equal to within the square bracket. I'm mentioning the index. So instead of A it is B now. The value will be 0. Instead of B it is C now. Instead of C it is D, and instead of D it is A. And one more additional key I have added to this. Just see what will happen. Now see the difference. The index value has been replaced with our own value. In addition to that, if the value is not available for a particular key, then it will display as NaN, means not a number. That's a good thing about dictionary. Instead of throwing the error, it will fill with NaN. Now we will learn how to create the series using scalars. T equal to PD dot series some scalar number 3. In addition to this, I am mentioning the index equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see the output. Oh, when we execute, in the place of index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, in every index value, the scalar number 3 is stored. So this is how we can implement scalar concept. You no need to mention multiple times, just mention once, and then this value will be automatically allocated to the respective index number. That's the end of this video. Please tap the bell icon to get notified for each video upload. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.